Hi there, this is Defective. This is a HP Chromebook and only a little bit of the keyboard is working. Using my microscope, I've zoomed in on that track and you can see that there's a complete break in fact two places across that particular track. So what I need to do is to put some conductive glue across that gap, and with a bit of luck that will fix my keyboard problem. It's really important that you keep the cable from moving when you're applying the glue, and so I've clamped it and then I've put some paper underneath it in order to raise it just so that it's completely firm and isn't going to move. And now I'll mix up some glue and glue it very finely. So I've put some wire glue across the track and now I've covered it over with heat resistant tape. So now we'll plug it in and see if it works. All that's left to do now is to test the keyboard. So QWE. That's it, it's all working perfectly. It was a fiddly fix. It just shows that those really delicate cables can be repaired if you take your time and are very careful about it. The main thing to do is to make sure that if you get glue across the tracks, then just use a pickup stick or cocktail stick to just wipe down between the tracks and onto a piece of paper until it's clear, so that you don't get any short circuiting. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. I now have a fully working Chromebook that costs me around $45. Thanks for watching. Bye.